Hey everyone, Bruce Brown with Computer One here with my good friend and client, Dr. John Oubre.
I actually have been a client since 1994 when I switched my office from a Mac-based program to a PC program when we switched to Orthotrack. I didn't know anything about PCs. I was a Mac person, and so I needed some help. And going to the PCs, we had problems right away because we didn't know what to do. So your father-in-law, Scotty, was our go-to guy.
Gotcha, absolutely. So why you stayed with us this long, or?
Well, for one thing, you guys were always there for me. You know, whenever we had a problem, we would call this office right here, and we never were put off. Y'all handled everything promptly. If you couldn't help us over the phone, you would dial in. If you couldn't do that, you guys were at the office. So we never felt like we had to try to figure stuff out ourselves.
Absolutely, that's great. So what would be something maybe you would tell the other dental practice owners about, maybe if they're interested in switching to a new IT company, somebody that's going to be maybe a true partner in the dental field, what would be something you maybe tell them?
Well, for me, as a practicing dentist, I don't want to worry about all the ins and outs of my IT world.
Sure.
And I don't want to have to cancel a patient or not schedule a procedure that we had planned because the computers aren't working. So the biggest thing for me is I don't have to worry about it because you guys are going to take care of it. And not just when we have a problem, but as we developed over the years, you've seen us change dramatically in what we do from a technological standpoint.
Sure.
There was a time when we didn't have a cone beam CT, when we didn't have scanners, when we didn't incorporate video imaging or any kind of imaging into our computer package that we have now, and now everything's integrated because we've evolved and you guys have helped us evolve on track.
So basically working with a provider that has a true dental focus has been probably one of the biggest assets. That understands the dental field and can maybe talk about the terminology.
And one of the things you guys have been so helpful with me about was that you took the initiative to learn all of our software background. You got in touch with Orthotrack, and you guys have really embraced the developmental side of Orthotrack, not only for us, but for all of you clients.
Absolutely. No, that's great. To any other dental practices out there that may be looking for a true partnership with an IT company that has a dental focus, that understands your business, that understands how to implement technology that's going to integrate with all the different facets of a dental practice, give us a call.